This is your own private island. Rendezvous Caye is all sandy beaches, cool Caribbean breeze, and crystal blue water as far as the eye can see.
The snorkeling was honestly the coolest thing ever.
It was really pretty just to see like the reef and the coral.
We got to go see lots of different coral, lots of different fish. Our guide was Rose, and Rose was amazing. She checked on us the whole time, made sure that we were all very comfortable, enjoying our experience, that we knew how to do everything correctly, and just had the best experience.
Most guests say this is the best snorkeling they've ever had. I mean, it's a unique place because the coral formation there has a lot of life, a lot of color.
Explore the majesty of the Western Hemisphere's largest barrier reef. And then come grab some grub and sit back and enjoy the magic of this place. Swaying in a hammock on your own private island may be a moment you'll treasure forever.